Hello, guy. How have you been? I'm fine. Nice to see you again. Everyone, we have learned already about sentence structure. You know the sentence. Yeah, sentence we can divide to part. I just review for you the last section. Yeah, sentence. You see, sentences. Yeah, or one sentence. We divide into part. Part one we call subject, you see, and part two we call predicate. Predicate. Yeah, predicate, you see. And in predicate we divide into part verb and object or complement. Yeah, complement. You see? So verb we can divide into part more, right? One we call transitive verb, and two intransitive verb, right? See. So today teacher will show you about object. So how do we use object? Yeah. And complement we will study. Yeah, the next, when we complete object, we will study about complement. Yeah. So today, teacher will share you about object. Yeah. Here we go. Object can be used with object can be used with one pronoun, noun, or pronoun. Do you know noun? You know? Noun is the name of person, thing, animal, location, feeling, etc. Okay? And pronoun. Pronoun we have two kinds. We have subject pronoun, I, you, we, they, he, she, it, and object pronoun, me, you, us, them, him, her, it, right? So today we study about object, so we use the object pronoun. For example, she played the cemetery. Yeah, cemetery is a noun, right? You see me. Yeah, me is object pronoun, right? Object pronoun. You see? Yeah, cemetery is a music instrument, right? So object can be used with one more. The adjective. You ask a noun. You ask a noun. You see? You ask a noun. For example, the rich scatter the poor, right? Poor is an adjective, right? But you ask a noun, you see, the adjective, but you ask a noun.